Hello. I am introducing the charms of Hiroshima. Today I came to Daishoin Temple, a little bit behind Miyajima.
Today, a celebration was held to celebrate the birth of Kakai, the founder of this temple. It is decorated with a large crystal. Paintings on the ceiling. I also saw a special exhibition of contemporary art, Japanese partitions. On our way back to the port, a deer was waiting for us. In Miyajima, they are said to be messengers of the gods. See you again, here.